In today's video, I'll show you how to install the DeepSeek application. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. If you're trying to install the application of DeepSeek into your PC or laptop, in this video, let me show you how it is done. If you head over to deepseek.com, you can see two options. The left one is the web version that you normally use, and this one is the QR code for the application for your mobile devices. So if you're trying to download and install the DeepSeek application on your phone, you can just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for DeepSeek, and then install it on your device. Now, however, in order for you to download and install it on your PC or laptop, there is no separate version. So for this, what you can do is open up the chat section of DeepSeek first of all, and then click on the three dotted line on the top right. If you scroll down a bit, you can see a section which says cost, save and share. Inside of this, you'll see the option called install page as app. What this option does is installs any web page as an app inside of your PC or laptop. So you can just click on this option, name this anything that you'd like, and click on install. And there you go. If you head back to your home screen, you can see the DeepSeek application now has been installed. This way, you do not need to keep opening up your web browser. You can just open up this application and it will display as an app that is installed on your device. So by following this method, you can install the DeepSeek application onto your PC or laptop. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.